This is a 2013 Mercedes-Benz E350. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, a front and rear multi-link suspension, and the pre-safe collision mitigation system. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a toolkit, front multi-stage airbags, ISOFIX child safety seat anchors, a first aid kit, a split folding rear seat, full power accessories, and this vehicle has fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Phil Long Used Cars is located at 1510 Auto Mall Loop in Colorado Springs. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.